episode. What episode is it?
Hey, I'm Luigi.
5. Why are we all spread out like this? I know. I hate it. I hate it. I'm getting so mad.
Someone help?
No, why would we want to help you, dummy? You, Luigi. Yeah, Luigi, why would we want to help you?
Oh, who are you? Are you really?
I am Terrence. We don't like Mario. We only like watching the show Mario.
Oh.
Yeah, that's good. You're bad. Yeah, you're not even real Mario. Real Luigi.
What if you like the plushes of Mario and Luigi?
Yes, we love them. We want the real people, like the plushes of them.
Oh.
Yeah, we're plushes. We want the plush Mario and
Well,
Luigi.
they're probably coming here.
They will come here in a
Wait.
few months.
Am I getting them for Christmas?
I don't know, probably. Yeah, probably. I don't know. Yeah, like, I see it down in tone. Get out here, boy. So today, me and this weird Luigi guy are gonna do stuff. And first, look who I found! We need to keep this zombie in jail. So, this zombie is officially in jail. Ah! He's dumb.
Yay! I love jail.
Then you're dumb. Well, you can see what you're doing and you can't escape. Wait, he can't escape. Now he can't
This is
escape.
actually my home, dummy.
It's your jail. You don't know. Yeah, it's his jail. He's dumb and silly.
Can someone help?
What? Do it yourself. When we get trapped back there, we do it ourselves. Yeah, be a little more better like the real Luigi.
Oh, you, Terrence? You're fat, so it's impossible for you to get out.
I can get out easily, and this is not fat. It's just how big I was born. I was born with big muscles.
Oh, you were born fat, actually.
You were a...
That's what's in the English.
Are you sure?
Handbook.
What? No.
Okay, I jumped up here.
You don't even you never even read the Angry Birds handbook.
I
I have something I want to write.
Hey, look, guys, I'm climbing up these books.
What? Wow.
Shut up.
Yeah, shut up, you dumb.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yeah, we
I'm
are gonna...
Luigi.
We need to tell you. You're not the real Luigi. We'll show you. Right. Can you give me a minute, guys, to write what he is?
I think
Yeah, thank you guys for letting me draw it.
Luigi sounds different than that. Yeah, I think he sounds like this.
Hello, I'm Luigi.
And Mario sounds like, hey, I'm Mario.
Oh, yeah, kind of like that. Hey, here's your note, Luigi. I'll throw it in. Here's your note. It says, you are dumb.
Okay, you guys are evil. I'm serious.
Well, here's one thing. Let's get the Cyclops, the junior Cyclops, who's really good at sports. Hut! No!
I'm so mad at you.
No! Ha ha! We did it! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray? It was supposed to be us saying hip hip hooray, not you guys. Oh, sorry. Look at all this paper that we have. So much paper that I'm gonna die. I'm literally...
Achoo! Achoo!
Stop doing that!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Stop doing that!
Achoo!
Angry Birds do!
Haha, you missed. I have invisible armor.
No, you don't. I was
Okay,
just...
I'm just kidding. I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Ah, the camera went flying! We need to get the camera! safely because I'm the bomb.
You're the boss? No.
I'm the bomb, baby! Booyah! Alright, guys, that's about it for today's Angry Bird Tunes. Angry Bird Tunes episode 5. This pig's trying to ruin it, so we have to end it quick. He's really bad. So check out the series and the new series, Plants vs. Zombies, and check out the rest of the series of Angry Bird Tunes. Hope you like it. Bye!